We're at the Plainfield Township Recreational Trail, and we're gonna go on a wonderful bike ride. And off we go. We're in Belfast, PA, and the trailhead and parking lot for this trail is right on Route 191. And here's me on the bike that my son wanted to see me with my camera on my head. Here's me riding, David. Stop right here. Wait a second. What is this? I'm gonna check it out quickly because I don't want to leave my bicycle. Actually, it's my daughter-in-law's bicycle, so I don't want to lose it for sure. But look at this. What is this? Like there were no signs. It didn't say private property. But there's an electric fence. I'm not going to go very far because this might be someone's private property. But I couldn't help but. That was such a pretty path. It would be great if there were horses here. I'm going to turn around now, but wasn't that cool? What a cool path. Right? You have to walk down this. All right, let's. I don't want to take a chance of losing my daughter-in-law's bicycle. There's the horses. Whoa, I'm falling off the road. There's the horses. Hello. Lots of bamboo. And this one says 1.5. You think we went up 1.5 already? Look how pretty it is. I think this is the spot I walked a long time ago. Like to walk. Let's go look. I think this might be the spot, so let's, there's a little trail right here. black walnuts all over. This could just be a deer trail. And there's the water Freya drank when she was a little puppy. You can see that video on this channel. Wow. There's so little water. And it's all overgrown now. We saw a great blue heron fly right through here. But I can't tell whether, whoa, ducks, whether it's a path. Whoa, I'm falling in. That people made or animals made it. Here. Ooh, I disturbed all the wildlife. People don't come here much, I guess. But this was all open. There had just been a flood, and I guess all the greenery had been washed away then. What's out there? Now that I remember, there was a big fish in here that I caught in that video. I wonder if that's what's making those splashes. Well, I didn't bring a snack or a lunch. And there's no really place to sit down. Whoa, what is this? Oh, you know what? It could be acorns falling off the tree. It's an oak tree. There's definitely something moving around in there, though. Whoa, one just fell really hard next to my foot. We better move. Well, that was a cool, look at my bike's right there. That was a cool little entertainment on the trail. How different this place looks now. I'm gonna have to go back and watch that video myself. We are actually not very far from Jacobsburg Park, where we are right now. Now look it, we're at mile 175. We may actually have gone that far. All right, I'm turning around when we get to 200. Oh, here. Let's get off here. This could be where we turn around, actually. I upset him. This has been really fun so far, hasn't it? And look at this amazing spot. I don't see any fish down there. Do you? Sometimes you can see things when you play the video back that you didn't see when you were standing here. That is really pretty. This is Bushkill Creek here. It is one of the prettiest bodies of water that I know. Okay. Okay, we're gonna head back. How pretty was this? That was a nice end point to come to. And it'll be warmer riding into the sun. Oh. We're at mile 150. Here's the 1 mile mark. 1 mile to go. .75. I had to stop and make sure I captured on camera what we're riding our bicycles next to, so that you can get an understanding of what a cool trail this is. And capturing that footage is a little difficult, or awkward I should say, because the camera's on the top of my head. And just like that, we made it back. That was so much fun. Thank you for coming along with me today on this little shakedown trip. I don't even know if the footage is going to be any good because I got it on my new camera, but if it is, you'll see it. So until next episode, make sure you're subscribed and like this video, and bye for now.